In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up forms with the Appy Discord bot. If you're looking for an easy way to create applications, forms, or submission systems directly inside your Discord server, AppyBot is a great tool to use. It allows server owners and administrators to collect information from members through customizable forms while keeping responses organized and accessible. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of setting up forms with AppyBot from start to finish. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the AppyBot website. Once you're on the site, select the option to sign in with Discord. During the sign-in process, AppyBot will request permission to access your Discord account. Review the requested permissions and authorize the connection. Before continuing, make sure you have administrator permissions on the Discord server where you want to use the bot. After signing in, open the AppyBot dashboard and choose the server you want to manage. If the bot hasn't been added to your server yet, you'll be prompted to invite it. Continue through the authorization process, approve the required permissions, and allow AppyBot to join your server. Once everything is complete, you'll be taken back to the dashboard where you can begin configuring your forms. Inside the dashboard, locate the Applications or Forms section and select Create Form. This will open the form creation area. Choose the option to create a new application, then enter a name for your application and create it. Once created, you'll see the application available for editing and customization. Next, open the application settings by selecting the Edit option. Scroll through the available configuration options until you reach the Question section. Here, you can add different types of questions depending on the information you want to collect. AppyBot supports question formats such as short text responses, paragraph responses, and multiple choice selections. If you need additional questions, simply create new ones and customize them according to your requirements. As you configure the form, you'll also need to select a response channel. This determines where completed applications and form submissions will be sent. Many server administrators choose a private staff channel so that only authorized team members can view responses. After the form has been configured, continue to the Application Settings area. Here, you can choose where the application will be shared and configure additional options. You can also assign a role that will be granted to applicants if their submission is accepted. Once you've reviewed all settings and questions, save your changes. Finally, open Discord and navigate to the channel where you'd like members to access the application. Use the appropriate AppyBot /command and select the application you've created. AppyBot will generate a link that can be shared in the channel. Members can then open the application, complete the form, and submit their responses directly through the system. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.